What's up guys, Saf Ashrafi, and today we're going to be talking about one of the most innovative, spectacular, fantastic products Microsoft has ever made. Yes, you guys guessed it, it's the Xbox Series fridge. This is spectacular. Hats off to the engineering team over at Microsoft. This fridge is definitely going to be revolutionary. It has all the same features as the old fridges, but the design is spectacular. You guys have to watch this video and find out my first impressions. Absolutely amazing. I have no more words to describe, but amazing. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, you guys must have already guessed, but I'm joking. It's a fridge. How will it be innovative in any way? And you guys don't know how hard it was for me to keep a straight face saying spectacular, amazing, innovative design for that fridge. But anyway, let's talk about the Xbox Series F. Should we call it Xbox Series F, Xbox Series fridge? I guess we can call it that. But it's absolutely mind-blowing how Microsoft have invested their time and effort into making a meme a reality. That's something we should all appreciate. I mean, have you guys actually seen the fridge? I'm going to edit some cinematic shots of what I already have from the internet. Here, just watch it now. Okay, so what do I think of the Xbox Series F? That's what I've named it. The internet can agree or not. It's the Xbox Series F. So the Xbox Series F altogether looks really, it looks properly like an Xbox. From what I've seen, people have made a lot of fun of the Xbox Series X, but it is a big black tower which looks fine to me, but a lot of people on the internet, of course it's the internet, it's going to be made fun of. So everyone called it the Xbox fridge. So then Microsoft have been looking at the memes. Microsoft were like, okay, they called it a fridge, let's see what we can do. And then the next thing you know, iJustine, good YouTuber, go and subscribe to our channel, link will be in the description, made a video about a fridge, the meme that has become a reality. She unboxed it, she talked about it, then it started popping up more. Snoop Dogg also got one. We saw a lot of TikTok. We saw it a lot on TikTok. I actually downloaded TikTok. I'm not the type of guy to use TikTok, but I downloaded it. I went through some of the Xbox fridge. It was funny. Xbox also have their own TikTok account, which they did. We did a thing. And then they showed the fridge, and they have desserts and Monster energy drinks, and they have an Xbox Series X inside the fridge, like in the middle. Absolutely insane. Microsoft, I love how you guys are thinking. You guys are engaging with the audience. By audience, I mean customers. You guys are really just, I can't say that. That fridge is just amazing. Make sure you put in the comments whether you actually want this fridge for yourself. I mean, yeah, that's just a quick, short upload, like funny video today about the Xbox Series F, Xbox Series fridge. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are closing to 600 subscribers, but as you guys know, 1K is our mark. Let's get to that as soon as possible. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. It's Saf Ashraf. Peace.